Hey, what's up guys? In this video I am going to show you to make a torch for your phone, etc. This will be easily used and easy to make. Guys, you can able to make in your home.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
So let's get started. So guys, to make this we just required some LEDs. For power supply I am going to use female micro USB. You can use anything and you can also use this cable also. For outer covering I am going to use a cardboard.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
To make this project also I am going to use PCB.
we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create.
Guys, I told you that we can also use in smartphone this gadget. To use in smartphone we just required a cable and OTG which connects with the smartphone. If you give directly it will won't work. You have to give OTG.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Guys, we can also connect with their laptop. Just connect it to your laptop, it will automatically on. Also, it can work with charger too.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
So guys, this is very powerful and you can also make this in your home. Thanks for watching this video and like, share and subscribe to my channel.